Hello, today we are going to Salvation Army and ringing the bell. You guys are excited? Excited going on your phone all day?
Not excited.
No.
You hear Benjamin?
He hates the camera, I suppose. You don't like cameras.
You don't be taking videos.
Yeah, well.
You look at the camera even though you can't see it.
Cut it out.
Well, goodbye.
Quit your YouTube.
Bruh.
He's a hater. Bye.
Yeah, he is a hater.
See you.
He's the #1 hater of our channel.
Okay, it's cut.
Goodbye.
Kyle, it's off. Kyle, we cut it.
Where are we? It's called Walmart. Kyle, did you just fart? Yep, we're here. We're trolling you. We don't play. We ain't doing Salvation Army. We're doing the opposite. We're gambling, being completely bad today. We're not doing any good. Oh, this place is pretty big, I'd say. Well, bell ringing now, and we got this really nice little thing here. That's where the money goes. Make sure you can't steal it.
See if I can get this any better. See if I can get this any better. Bruh.
Turn the music on.
Bruh.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Oh, I'm not the only one filming today. The government is always watching you. Well, whoever gets this is lucky. It's literally full of air, the factory air, and I popped it.
Great.
Dang it. This is a little cool thing. And that. It's a bunch of silly stuff here. This looks cool. How much is that? $8 for £1. Not that bad of a deal. That is a good deal. $20. Better than figgies. You're the one who's in that little like cart there.
People get stuck in those things.
We got you a car. We got you covered, Corey.
Thank you.
Yeah, but guess who's buying? This is my kind of stuff. All this stuff. All this fishing stuff. These are good deals.
Mind you.
Huh. Holy moly. Well, next time we're off our shift, we gotta head here. This is just a lot. Aw. Don't worry, I'm recording you too. There's a lot of stuff here. Holy cow. These are good deals. Man. This is for some big fishers. Well, we better go take our shift.
Alright. Yeah.
Well, see you there. Ring-a-ling.
Everybody likes their ring. Ring-a-ding-ding.
Not sure if this is good. No?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Candy cane? No.
Candy?
Keep that though. Thank you. Your candy cane. I'm trying to put this in.
Okay.
Candy cane? Thanks. This is a social experiment to see if they want candy. Candy cane? They don't get the Christmas spirit. No, I'm kidding.
Lots of kids are taking the candy. Aren't they supposed to not get candy from strangers? What's this one do?
Yeah, we're gonna get kicked out of the store. I don't think you're having luck with that guy. We are here finally. There's a lot of stuff here. I need to find something. Found out what I'm getting. Knife, scaler, and a rod holder.
Wait, I don't
It's
think
nice.
this is a checkout. Wait, I don't think
Nice.
this is a checkout.
Bruh.
Happy days. Yep, turns out you have to be 16 to buy a knife. So I'm gonna go get my older sister and rig the system here. Well, it was like buying a firearm, as Nick
I
said.
guess.
And I ended up getting it though, but
Only because I had my DNR license. It wouldn't even take my school.
otherwise, I don't know.
That was just stupid.
Apparently it's
A
like,
knife. A knife.
it's apparently illegal to buy a knife.
If you're not 16.
It's retarded.
Picture time.
Goodbye.
You're taking a picture.
Got to.